I mean, don't get me wrong, I have loads of fun in that A3 outside, but it doesn't go, ooh yeah, ooh,
Yeah,
drive me.
Caught on this, on the brake.
Whereas I had an old 306 and that was fun.
Oh yeah.
It actually felt like it had a soul.
Well, that is exactly it. The older cars did, didn't they?
Yeah, new ones don't. They're all too perfect.
Yeah.
When you're doing them, everyone thinks that that's a solid part of the subframe.
Yes.
Yep. Nice. So you got that to do?
I think I would probably rather put some heat in these just to save.
That's what I said all the time. Yeah, 5 now.
So we're back with our front wishbones from the Vauxhall Vivaro. So again, we've got their 2 different types. This is our original Mark 1. It goes up to October 2006. Then they brought out a cast steel version instead, which is a more kind of reinforced, stronger version. Our bushes, they're the exact same. They fit both of them. It's just a slight different way of fitting them. So we're just going to show you how to do it. So we're going to start with the original one, and we're going to do the front bush first. So we've designed an outer shell. It's got 3 different grooves in it, just for different purposes and different vehicles. And what we're going to do is, there's a nice big leading edge on the top side of it, and we're going to fit that from the underside, which is radiused, and we're going to push it all the way through until the top of this wishbone here is in line with the first groove. So we're going to take it to the press. We're going to have it upside down, and we're going to pop it in. And this will be a little bit of trial and error just to make sure, obviously, you get to the right height. So it just needs a little touch more there. Maybe only another mil or 2. Check again. So we've actually just went past it and no more there, so we're just going to have to bring it back out slightly. Up. So that's us now just sitting flush with the groove, that top groove there, and now we're ready to fit the bush. Come back across. So this is our 47C bush. It's in a harder performance grade because the front bush needs to just be that little bit stiffer than the rear. This bush is symmetrical, so it doesn't matter which way you fit it, so it really doesn't matter at all. So again, we're just going to start a little bit of washing up liquid, just for ease of fitment. Again, you can do this part in the press, or you can take it back to do it in the vise. The press is normally easier, especially if you've already got it set up. Just make sure it's fully seated and that it's popped all the way through on both sides, which it has. And then it's just a case of fitting the inner tube. Okay. Just knock that in a little touch. And that's our front bush, all fitted, ready to go. For the rear bush, this one has just 2 rings at the top, and these will come with nice fitting instructions as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to fit this the exact same way from the bottom, the leading edge going up, and we're going to fit to the second ring instead this time. Double check it. Okay, we've still got a good bit to go there. Okay, we've just overshot a little bit again, so we'll just bring it back. At least it's easier to see it this way around. So again, exact same for this rear bush, which is the 47D bush. It's in our slightly softer orange 75 grade, just to give it a little bit more flex at the back. Drop it in, back across to the press just for ease. And again, just double check that flange just came all the way through. And lastly, then our tube. And that's it, easy as. Okay, so we've fitted our bushes to our original Wishbone, and we're going to move on to our cast reinforced Wishbone now. So this one's a little bit different. There's no real flat surfaces at all on the Wishbone, which makes it quite difficult to obviously fit against. Luckily they put some little indication nodes on here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, and again 1, 2, 3 down the bottom here. So this is what we're going to use to base the height of our metals off. So again, these fit the exact same way. We've got the chamfer again, and it's going to fit from the underside of the Wishbone to the top. And from this last groove here is going to be in line flush with these three nodes. So again, fitting instructions will give you a good idea of where it has to be if I'm going too fast. If you have any questions about it though, more than happy, give us a call anytime.
literally just needed a knock. Go on, get in there. Ready?
Yeah.
And then a little bit of soap on that one as well?
Yeah. So that'll
Easy.
that'll obviously
All together
yeah,
anyway,
and that actually sits inside that little lip in there.
Oh,
in that
yeah.
bush. So that'll
So if
actually
you-
clamp. If you can knock it through. It's tight though, but it will
Push in.
clamp up. Yeah.
And then when you put the thing back on, you've got that big plate
Yes, to
pushing
push
that on.
underneath.
Yeah.
They're good.
That's
I like
exactly
them. These are definitely going to be a seller. I'll never fit the standard ones again. They were a nightmare. Ready? Cover your eyes. I'll do it a bit softer.
I don't think we'll need anything on this.
There we go.
I've kept them the same hardness as them. We could do them harder if we want. I'll keep it actually.
Down first.
I would start with the back one first, I would say.
Orange.
Ooh, that's swell though. That got it. Right, that one was just normal. That one then. It's tight, isn't it? It was just tight. There you go. Now I can push that a bit more towards the front. And they're both got bushes in them.
Yeah.